want to know the real reason you shouldn't follow these 5 makeup rules which are commonly believed in the makeup world, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 real reasons why you should not be following these makeup rules in 2020. Now this video idea is purely inspired by Robert Welch and Kelly Coach. I saw them make these videos and I thought of making my own spin on it. So here are 5 rules you should not follow. So let's get started. The first common makeup rule is you need to use brushes for everything. No, you don't, okay? You really don't. Okay, so yes, I am a makeup artist and I really love my brushes and I really do believe that they can really change your makeup game. But what I also do believe is that you don't need them for everything. Now here's why I say that. First thing is with cream products, okay? For powder products, yes, I do really like my brushes and I don't think hands can come anywhere closer to that. But with cream products, what you can do is you can use your hands. In fact, I suggest you use your hands because for cream products, you need the warmth of your hand, and with the warmth of your hand and of the product, it really blends and melts into your skin very seamlessly. It looks really natural and blended. Especially if you are applying cream products on a bare face, I really recommend doing that. Okay, so yeah, do keep this in mind. You don't need your makeup brushes for everything, but yes, they are important, and yes, they do really make a important role of your makeup routine. So yeah, by no means am I saying that you don't need your makeup brushes. You do need them, but for cream products you can use your hands as well. They do really work very nicely. So cream products, hands also do well, but for powder products, your brushes do well. So the second makeup rule is you need to apply a full face or a base makeup for you to apply blush, highlight, contour, eyeshadow, basically anything. That is not the reality, okay? You don't need to do that, okay? You can apply everything on your bare face as well. Here is how you can do that. You can use cream products, cream highlighters, cream blushes, cream contour, cream eyeshadows, everything cream. If you apply anything cream, it will sustain on your bare face. You don't need to apply a full base and full face of makeup for you to wear blush and contour and everything. Okay. Third makeup rule is people with warm undertones should not wear cool tone makeup. Okay. So basically, if you are a person which has warm tones or yellow tones to your skin, or if you have cool tones to your skin, then you should not wear warm tones, and like vice versa. Okay. Like for warm, you should not wear cool makeup. For cool, you should not wear warm makeup. Okay. That is not true. You can wear absolutely what you like to wear. Okay. You can absolutely wear any color on your face, regardless it's cool or warm. Okay. As long as you like it on your face, you should wear it. Okay. Okay. Now I personally am also a neutral warm girl. I love cool tones and I wear them all the time, and in fact it looks superb on me. You can check out my Instagram and you will see how it looks so good on me. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason I see most people only gravitating. For most people I do see they gravitate more towards warm tones and not so much towards cool tones. There are very few like me who like cool tones. So yeah, if you are a person who likes to wear cool tones but you see many people not doing and think that let it be, do try them. Okay, they look fantastic. Okay, they look really nice on your face. The fourth makeup rule is you need to match your lip liners to your lipstick. Okay, now this is very common rule which most people do believe, but no, you need not do that. Okay, because in fact mixing colors is really nice. Okay, so if you are wearing a different shade of lip liner and different shade of lipstick and you mix them, it will create a new shade for you. In fact, I have a full video which I have made recently. In that I show how to mix lipsticks and make new shade for you. You can check it out. I have it in the cards. But yes, you can wear different shade of lip liner and different shade of lipstick on top, which will make a new shade for you. So it's a absolute mistake that you should have to pair them. Yes, if you want to wear that specific shade and you want to make it long lasting, then you can do that, but not necessarily. It's not necessary to do that, because lip liners also at the end of the day are lipstick type. Fifth makeup rule which you need not follow is that you should not wear bright blushes. No, it's not true. You can wear bright blushes. Okay, so for dusky skin beauties, yes, I see most of them do wear them. But for light to medium skin tone family, these people think that bright blushes will look too much on them. Okay, now I see where you're coming from. Okay, I personally love nude blushes as well. When I wear full face of makeup like I have today, like I have a really bright eye and lips and everything. So for such looks, nude blushes go well. But if you have applied nothing on your eyes, or if you have very neutral eyes and neutral lips, then you can go very heavy on your blush as well. Especially for people who have really nice cheekbones, like that's the main feature of the face, they really pop out. Please use bright blushes. They will really look good on you. They will really accentuate your whole face. What you can do is, what I like to do personally a lot with bright blushes, is what I personally like to do is, when I am on my Instagram stories, which I'm a lot these days, I like to wear bright cream blushes with a very neutral or muted lip color. It looks so like a flush of pink on my face and so beautiful on bare face. Okay, it looks spectacular. Okay, so yeah, I really recommend doing that for wearing bright blushes. If you want to wear them, go very muted with the rest of your face and make them your main attention of your face. Or you can also do them with bare face with using cream blushes. Okay, I highly recommend doing that. Now time for bonus tip. I know I'm way too excited for that today, but yeah. So my bonus tip for today is that you can use your lipsticks as your blushes. Okay, so if you are scared, now this is regarding my last makeup rule which I broke, is that you need not wear bright blushes. You can do that. If you want to experiment with that, what you can do is, you can take any bright lipstick and apply it on your cheeks and see how it looks. I recommend doing that on bare cheeks and not full face of makeup, so you know how it looks on your bare cheeks. I can guarantee you it will look absolutely fantastic, because such shades on bare face will blend in with your skin and it will give more natural finish than a bright one, as it would with the full face of makeup. Okay, so yeah, I highly recommend you do that, and tell me in the comments below if you have tried any of these things. Did you believe that you should match your lip liner to your lipstick? I know this is one makeup rule which is highly followed by many people. Please tell me in the comments down below if you actually did believe that. If you found this video helpful, there are many more such makeup tips and tricks which I share on my stories on Instagram very frequently. So please make sure to follow me there. And I've also started a new series there called Learn Makeup with Muskan, wherein I share many mistakes and their solution, myths and more such things. So yeah, please make sure to follow me there and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till my next video.